Hey everyone, it's Click How. Today I'm going to show you how to print your Canva designs on your home printer. Method 1. Print directly from Canva to your home printer. First, open your design and make sure the dimensions match your paper size. Click the Share button in the top right. Then select Print from the menu. Canva will detect your connected printer. Pick it from the list. Adjust settings like copies and color, then click Print. Method 2. Download as PDF and print, recommended for best quality. Click Share, then Download. From the File Type drop-down, select PDF Print. This gives you 300 dpi resolution, which is what you need for sharp, high-quality prints. Standard JPG and PNG only give you 96 dpi and will look blurry on paper. If you're printing something that goes edge to edge, tick the crop marks and bleed checkbox before downloading. Bleed prevents white edges on full bleed designs, and crop marks tell you where to cut. Once downloaded, open the PDF file, press Ctrl+P on PC or Ctrl+P on Mac. Set scaling to 100% or actual size, not fit to page, then print. One important thing to know, not all home printers support full bleed. If white edges show up, uncheck crop marks and bleed in the download settings, or scale your design down slightly. A quick tip, always print a test copy first on regular paper before printing a large batch, and make sure your images are high resolution. Low-quality photos will look pixelated when printed. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.